Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, let me show you the error first. When I try to open the wmi command, it's saying that it is not installed on our system and it is not recognized as internal or external command. So basically wmi is a feature that needs to be installed on latest Windows. How we can install it? Simply open the system settings and then you can search here simply feature. And once you search feature here, look for optional features, then click on add features, click on yes button when the prompt opens and click on the option see available features. And now on the search simply search wmi and then tick this box, then click on add, and it will take some time. It will show you the progress bar here. Once it is added, it will show as added, and thereafter you can run this command and everything should be good and it should be working fine now. Okay, so this is a short video guys, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.